Okay, in here we are going to solve these equations. Now, these are quadratic equations, so we are going to use the zero product property. But to use this property, we should equate the equations to 0. Now I'm going to solve 25 for you. In number 25 we have x squared minus 18x equals minus 32. Now, I have to take minus 32 to the other side so that the equation will be x squared minus 18x plus 32, because when you change the side, you change the sign, so it will be equal to 0. Now I can factorize this expression here and then solve for x, because my quadratic equation is now equal to 0. Okay, let's think of two numbers which will multiply out to 32. We have 2 times 16, right? Well, 2 plus 16 will make 18. Well, that's fine, but we have minus 18. So, both of my factors here, 2 and 16, should be minus. So that instead of 2 plus 16, we are going to write minus 2 minus 16, which will be minus 18. Now I have my factors. I can write my equation in factored form such that it will be x minus 2 times x minus 16 equals 0. Since I have two numbers multiply out to 0, either x minus 2 is 0 or x minus 16 is 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 to the other side, so x is 2, or I'm going to take 16 to the other side, minus 16. It will be 16 on the other side, hence it is x equals 16. Okay, now I have to check my solution. I have x equals 2 and x equals 16. Now for x equals 2, let me substitute this. So it will be 2 squared minus 18 times 2. We don't know if this is equal to minus 32. Now let's check this out. 2 squared is 4, minus 18 times 2 is minus 36, and on the other side we have minus 32. So on the left hand side, 4 minus 36 is minus 32 equals minus 32, so we are done. For x equals 16, we are going to substitute 16 squared minus 18 times 16. Well, this should be equal to minus 32. Let's separate this. Yes. Now, 16 squared is 256, whereas 18 times 16 is 288 equals minus 32. Now again, if we do the subtraction on the left hand side, we are going to find minus 32 equals minus 32, so we are done in this solution too. Okay, now please solve the remaining equations with checking your answers and show me your results.